Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back to tune in, to tune up your energy. Buddha, this beautiful presence, divine enlightenment, golden light, divine blessings we are to receive. Sinking deeper and deeper into the field, into nothingness, connecting, aligning, equilibrium. Pure sense of a higher awareness, a higher consciousness. Pay attention to the way you think and how you perceive the world. Recite into your own divine dignity. Inner self reflects. Contemplation, freeing your mind from clutter, limiting beliefs, patterns and behaviors. It's time to be the light in the world. Make it shine brighter and brighter. You are a divine being.